In this video, I will show you that how to insert placeholder text in Microsoft Word. Sometimes we are creating, documents in Microsoft Word, and we know that we will place like original text here, but for the time being, like we don't have text yet, we have not prepared the text yet, so we can like temporarily we can insert placeholder text. Then once we will prepare the original text, then we can replace that text in the document. So how you can insert this placeholder text? You can type here is equal to, then RAND like random, and then we will type like parenthesis, then 5 and 5 paragraphs, 2 sentences, parenthesis close, and now press enter. So you can see 5 paragraphs of placeholder text has been added with the 2 sentences at least you can see here. But if you read this paragraph, like video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point and all these things. So this looks original text because these are real English words, but the layout designers usually use like lorem ipsum text, that is actually dummy text or placeholder text. So we will delete this text and we will type here is equal to lorem parenthesis open 5 paragraphs 3 sentences and enter. So you can see now this is the placeholder text. You can see lorem ipsum $sit amit. So this is dummy text, this is placeholder text. So temporarily we can insert this text, and later on once we prepare our original content, original text, then we can replace that one here with this dummy text. So this was the easy method that I showed you to insert placeholder text in Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications about my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.